Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video on AdCombo. So first off guys, what you're gonna do is click on sign up. So here guys, we can sign up as a publisher or as an advertiser. So I'm gonna sign in as a publisher, but you can also sign up as an advertiser. So right here guys, we have to enter first our email, make a strong password. After that, try to re-enter your password again. We can make a username like nettechie. We can enter our Skype like Neddington 3, and again Neddington 3, and we can enter our experience like sophomore engineer, and whatever you want. After that, just agree with the terms of conditions, do the script capture and then submit. So here we have to go into our email to verify our identity. Here is it, the AdCombo, and now we have to click this link to continue with this. Again, I'm just gonna do that, and now we can log in here. Just wait a few seconds till it loads up, and then just log in. Okay, click on let's go, and now we're in guys. So first off, we can look at these videos. Now we're using the demo, but after a little bit I'll show you the paid plans. There's a new section here that you can look at guys. You can see that there's a case study contest which also has a paid price. Like for first place you receive $500, for second, third, $300, and for third place you receive $200. There are campaigns. You can start a campaign like name of the campaign like dating app 101. After that, just enter the tracking URL. After that, the mertics. You can just or if you want to add a postback or pixel, and in the end just add an offer and you can save it. Okay, let's just save it and back to main campaigns. There are offers also. We can see like this. This is Renzana is from Costa Rica, and the payout is $14.50. So we can create a campaign for this, and my payout will be $14.50, and for everyone else it will be $12.50. We can see that it's through e-commerce. The country it resides in is Costa Rica, and the vertical is 3. It's for health products, neofungi, and fungus. The flow is COD. The device is for mobile devices and desktop computers. We can see the call center schedule and the product price. Here we can create a campaign. So we can add the name, the tracking URL, After that the vertex, and yeah. So here we can try to search the name. We can select this for select these filters like show all, neutral, gaming, dating, and mobile. Like gaming, I didn't think it would be this, but it's betting, because you know everything is betting. I guess that it's really popular in there because everything was in India. We can select the category e-commerce, mobile content, app installs, lead gen, and vertical. We can set the vertical, okay. And the flow. We can see the type, the access, the regions. We can also see the statistics, the postbacks, the domains, translations, payouts, bonus, and orders. So now, guys, let me show you the AdCombo pricing. So here's it, the pricing. Okay, so they don't have a pricing. It's just this. So I guess it's better for you guys. You just I guess you have to get the full version. I don't know how, but no. Oh, here's the payment settings. So here you have to click on this link and register with a and create a Payoneer account. So now again we're going to go in our Gmail and wait for a second. Here's this account registered. Now you can log in or check for our new offers. Okay, so we can pay with PayPal. So you can set our PayPal, wire, Paxum, Capitalist. So how? Oh, so we have to talk to our manager to give us the premium version. So yeah, that was it, guys. I hope that this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.